We know that psychology tries to get at the essence of what makes us human, why we think, act, and behave the way we do. Is psychology scientific? If you do a psychology degree, does that count as a STEM major? The nature of this field has been debated for years. Some of you might see psychology as a social science, grouped with fields like sociology, anthropology, or even political science. Others argue it's part of STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So, which is it? Let's break it down and see whether psychology is science, social science, or something else. First, let's answer the question: is psychology a social science? Many people say yes, and it's easy to see why. Psychology studies human behavior, thought processes, and emotions. It often focuses on social interactions and relationships. Areas within psychology, such as social psychology and counseling, examine topics similar to sociology, like group behavior and interpersonal dynamics. Universities often group psychology with sociology and other social sciences, which reinforces this view. But psychology is more than that. It's also a science, and this is where things get more interesting. Psychology uses the scientific method to study the mind and behavior. Psychologists test hypotheses, conduct experiments, and analyze data. They use tools like fMRI scanners to study brain activity, statistical models to measure behavior, and biological theories like genetics to understand mental processes. These methods connect psychology with biology and other natural sciences, making it more than just a social field. What kind of science is psychology? It's often classified as a life science because it studies humans as living organisms. It's also considered a health science when applied to clinical practice, such as diagnosing and treating mental health disorders. So, does psychology count as STEM? Yes. Organizations like NASA and the National Science Foundation recognize psychology as a STEM field. Not everyone will agree on where psychology fits best. Its mix of science and social studies sparks debate, but that's what makes it so fascinating. Psychology challenges you to think critically and explore what drives human behavior.